Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello and welcome to InstaForex Economic News channel with us, Takhmina Salomova
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What is the news from the currency market?
The American dollar dropped at the end of the last week.
And what sparked the bearish mood?
The US dollar fell to a more than 1 week low last Friday after President Donald Trump announced a tentative agreement with lawmakers to end a partial US government shutdown for 3 weeks. Late Friday, the US dollar index was down by 0.86% at 95.47, the weakest level since January 15, for a weekly decline of 0.55%. On Thursday, the index hit a 3-week high of 96.37. Meanwhile, the euro-dollar exchange rate rallied on US government shutdown concerns. The euro recovered partially from the 3-week low of $1.1289 and last traded at $1.1419. The euro exchange rates remained significantly pressured through Thursday's session in the wake of dovish central bank policy and weak PMI figures. In cryptocurrency trades, Bitcoin prices moved lower on Friday, but held within the short-term range, the quietest week since October 2018. On Friday, a single Bitcoin was at $3,563.57 on the Kraken exchange. The best-known digital currency traded inside the $3,425 to $3,614 range on the week, the narrowest since the week beginning on October 22, 2018. And this is all about the currency moves for now. And what about the mood on commodity markets?
Oil prices finished high on Friday but still suffered their first lows in weekend 4.
And what pushed the quotes down?
Concerns of surging US fuel stocks and global economic wars weighed on sentiment. Oil prices rose on Friday as political turmoil in Venezuela threatened to tighten crude supply. But the ongoing US-China trade dispute and broader gloom over world economic growth put a check on prices. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures ended Friday's session higher at $53.69 per barrel. WTI fell by about 0.2% for the week, the first weekly decline in 4 weeks. Brent crude oil futures were up at $61.70 a barrel with a weekly decline of about 1.6%. The dollar's fall made gold, which is traded in dollars, cheaper for holders or other currencies. Gold futures settled up by 1.77% at a more than 7-month high of $1,302.40 on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange late Friday. The major catalyst supporting gold is a big drop in the dollar amid expectations the Fed will retreat a pause to its hiking cycle next week. There are also some rumors that the Fed is backing off their quantitative tightening program, which would mean they are going dovish. This would in turn mean a probable end over rate hikes in 2019, which would be supportive for gold.
Takhmina, many thanks for the commodity market review. You've watched InstaForex weekly review of the currency and commodity markets with us, Takhmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.